It's a 2016 Acura MDX. Inspired by your high standards, this is one of the world's smartest SUVs. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather sports seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, auto tilt-away steering column, and V6 engine. Edmunds.com highlights its excellent handling, high safety scores, high-tech toys, powerful engine with decent fuel economy, and relatively large third-row seat for a midsize luxury SUV. At Acura, we manufacture exhilaration so you don't have to. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.